important. You can have word wall printables where these become your anchor charts. I used to love making these in Google Slides. I would print it out. And so instead of just word walls, shouldn't just say linear plot. Well, how does that help? How is that resourceful? It's a word wall. I learned about linear plot. Now I'm going to look at the word wall when I'm referencing linear plot and do what? All you have is the word. No, it needs to be resourceful and instructionally based. So what I started doing was I would have the word, but then I'd have the definition and I would have a graphic. Same thing with nonlinear plot. Same thing with theme. So you get the point. So I would just build these out as I'm teaching it. I create it. So I don't have to create all 150 vocabulary words in September. No. Oh, this week we're doing conflict. I create a new slide. I add to the slide deck, right? It's a word wall slide deck. I just add new slide, conflict, definition, graphic or image. And then I print it out. This is also a resource that is available. It's not downloadable. It's linked since it's a slide and it's going to force you to make a copy. Please make sure you watch the videos that are specific to the resources because I take you through